The Ateneo says it is coordinating with the National Bureau of Investigation and the Police Criminal Investigation and Detection Group on the deaths of basketball players Rene Baterbonia and Divine Adili. This as parents of Baterbonia requested for his remains to be autopsied. Baterbonia, 19, and Adili, 21, died from drowning during the Blue Eagles team building at a private resort in Aurora, Monday, June 8. Their remains were transferred Tuesday morning to a memorial chapel in Quezon City, where Baterbonia's parents and brother were consoled by Ateneo President Father Roberto Yap. Baterbonia's mother, Rovelyn Baterbonia, demands answers to her son's death. She says she wants justice for what happened and to know why this happened to her son. The tragedy happened less than a week after Rene moved to the Ateneo de Manila University campus in Quezon City Thursday, June 4. Meantime, Adili's family asked that his remains be returned to Nigeria in accordance with family and cultural practices. The university says it is assisting the